Every year, we dedicate a week to celebrate the importance of food. This is National Nutrition Week. It is a time to learn about healthy eating and make positive changes. We often take food for granted, but food is much more than just fuel. Good nutrition is essential for life. It impacts our physical health, our mental clarity, and even our emotional well-being. What we eat becomes part of us, literally. So let's explore how to make wise choices for a healthier, happier life. National Nutrition Week is a reminder to think about our plates. What are we putting into our bodies? Are we nourishing ourselves or simply filling a void? These are important questions to consider. This week is not about deprivation, it's about celebrating the joy of nourishing our bodies with real, whole foods. Food that tastes good and makes us feel good. It's about making small changes that have a big impact on our health. Nutrition is the foundation of a healthy life. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. A well-nourished body is stronger and more resilient. Think of your body as a machine. A machine needs the right fuel to run smoothly. When we eat a balanced diet, we provide our bodies with essential nutrients. These nutrients are the building blocks of our cells and organs. Without them, our bodies cannot function properly. We need vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Proper nutrition fuels our growth and development. For children, good nutrition is crucial for their growth and brain development. It impacts our energy levels, mood, and focus. Good nutrition is an investment in our health. It's about making choices that support our long-term well-being. A balanced diet is like a colorful mosaic with each food group playing a vital role. Think of your plate as a canvas. Fill it with a variety of colors and textures. Fruits and vegetables should take center stage. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are naturally low in fat and calories, making them excellent choices for maintaining a healthy weight. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Whole grains provide fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues. Choose lean protein sources such as chicken, fish, beans, and lentils. Dairy products provide calcium, which is essential for strong bones. Choose low-fat or fat-free options. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are also important for our health. They help our bodies absorb vitamins, insulate our organs, and protect our cells. A balanced diet is not about deprivation. It's about enjoying a variety of foods from all food groups. Section 4, Preventing Illness Through Diet, the Power of Nutrition. The food we eat has a profound impact on our health. A healthy diet can help prevent chronic diseases. These diseases include heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. A diet high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can lower the risk of heart disease. A healthy diet can also help prevent type 2 diabetes. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables may also reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Section 5. Practical tips for healthy eating. Making it easy. Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated. Start by making small changes to your diet gradually. Here are a few practical tips to get you started. Plan your meals ahead of time. This will help you make healthier choices and avoid unhealthy impulse purchases. Cook more meals at home. This way, you can control the ingredients and portions. Make fruits and vegetables a part of every meal. Add them to your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Choose water over sugary drinks. Water is essential for hydration and has 0 calories. Read food labels carefully. Pay attention to serving sizes, calories, and added sugars. Limit processed foods, fast food, and sugary drinks. These foods are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, and added sugars. Section 6. Becoming a wise eater. Making informed food choices. In today's world, we are bombarded with information about food. It can be overwhelming to navigate the aisles of the grocery store, trying to decipher food labels and make healthy choices. Becoming a wise eater requires us to be informed consumers. We need to understand the impact of our food choices on our health and the environment. Take the time to read food labels and understand what you are putting into your body. Don't be afraid to ask questions. If you're unsure about an ingredient or a product, ask your doctor, a registered dietitian, or a trusted health professional. Remember that food marketing can be misleading. Just because a product claims to be healthy doesn't mean it is. Be critical of health claims and look for evidence-based information. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Section 7. Eat right, live well, your journey to a healthier you. National Nutrition Week is a reminder that food is not the enemy, it is our ally. By making conscious choices about what we eat, we can nourish our bodies, prevent disease, and live longer, healthier lives. Eating right is not about deprivation. It's about enjoying the bounty of nature and savoring the flavors of real, whole foods. It's about making choices that support our well-being and make us feel good from the inside out. Remember that every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and invest in your health. Start by making small changes today, and watch as they add up to big differences in your overall well-being. Let's celebrate National Nutrition Week by making a commitment to eat right and live well. Your body will thank you for it.